Hi and welcome to Tech Aperture. In today's episode, I am bringing to you 3 upcoming lenses for the Sony E-mount system. Well, I'll be talking about E-mount lenses, and the most interesting of them happen to be the Tamron 70:180 f2.8, the Tamron 28:200 f2.8 to f5.6, and the Sigma 100:400 DGDN OS lens. Now, 3 lenses, wow, 3 lenses. The Sony E-mount is surely showing promise. Now, well, these lenses have been already announced, some are in the market and some are to be launched this July. So, what is it likely to be their market? Well, the Tamron 70:180 and the 28:200 looks to give both fast aperture as well as good coverage. The Sigma with the 100:400 is way better than the pricier Sony's variation, the 100:400. Now, here are the specs: the 70:180, the 28:200, and the Sigma 100:400 DGDN OS. Now, what uses do you think these lenses can have? Well, Tamron 28:200 f2.8 to 5.6 is an all-round lens, so it can be used for anything from landscapes to portraiture to a small amount of travel zoom as well. You can capture a wide focal range of objects using this lens, so it will be like those all-in-one lenses that you used to get with a lot of cameras, and these are good for families that buy and shoot their holidays with it. Next, the Sigma 100:400 DGDN OS lens. It will find many uses, mainly sports, wildlife, and varied purposes. It serves as a telephoto zoom, so you have got a lot of focal range within that 100:400. What about the Tamron 70:180? There is the Sony's own 70:200 2.8. Well, something to be considered in all these 3 cases are its price factor. The price factor is that the Tamron 28:200 is priced at $729, while the Tamron 70:180 is priced at $1,199, and the 100:400 Sigma is priced at $949. Well, does this sound interesting? Yes, as a Sony equivalent of these lenses cost over $2,000, which is over 1,40,000 rupees in Indian currency. So, how do they fare? From early reviews and tests by YouTubers, the optical quality of these lenses are up to the mark for the money you pay. So, how are these likely going to change the Sony E-mount system? Well, it is going to add variety to the Sony E-mount system as more lenses are being manufactured for the E-mount. Initially, there were only a certain number of lenses that the E-mount had, but now the E-mount has started to get a lot of lenses to fit its E-mount system. Well, are you planning to buy any of these lenses? Lot of potential in these lenses, so looking forward to at least getting one of these lenses by the year end. And thank you guys. Click like and subscribe to my channel.